Hey guys, it's Mike, and welcome to my garage. Okay, here it is. Porsche 914, 1973. She's pretty rough. I got this in a trade for a bunch of Jeep FCs. Some cash. Don't worry. Wasn't that bad. Needs a lot of work. Has a hood replacement. Let's see here. Take a look in here. It's got some carpets, stuff. Not too bad under there. You can see the fuel tank there. It's kind of rusty. Here's the fender. I'm trying to use this DJI thing, so excuse the camera work. You see this fender needs a lot of work. A lot of rust there. Windshield isn't cracked. That's a plus. This door skin is, not the greatest. I'll have to take the rockers off. Not too sure about that. The interior is trashed. Hopefully it cleans up. Guess we'll see. The dash, it's all eaten up, but it comes with a dash replacement. Came with a whole bunch of parts. I haven't gone through them all, but yeah. And here you can see some rot on the sail panels. And look at this. Look at this gem. 1.7. I doubt it runs. It's got the plugs out, I'm pretty sure. I don't think the plugs are in it. I'll have to dig around, but not good. Not good. It did not come with a trunk. I'll have to find one of those. The rear panel is pretty heavily damaged. You can see all that. Look at that. That's pretty crunchy. But it did come with this other thing over here. It come with this. So, but it's not much better. It's got a big squish in it too. What the heck? Yeah. So, the side, it's pretty bad. Look at this. You got a little peekaboo hole. Hey, peekaboo! Oh, there's the ground. Look at. There's my shoe. Yeah, cool. This door is really gone. And look at this. There it is. Oh, come on. Look at this. Look at this. It's so rotten. It's so rotten. So, yeah. Yeah, this fender's just as crappy. It's a lot of work. Windshield's not cracked. That's what we're sticking on that. Windshield's not cracked, I do have a roof, but somewhere else. So yeah, it's gonna be a journey. It's gonna be a journey. Okay, so first, let's start taking all the crap out of here. I got these sweet bins here. Figure they're in suitable and like-minded condition to my Porsche. So yeah, let's start by taking all this crap out of here and see what we find. Maybe there's something cool. Okay, let's see what we find. All right. Oh, we got a. Looks like this is a dash, part of the dash. Okay. Here's the other dash. It looks pretty good. You can see, it's not too bad. This here. Alright, what else we got in here? This is some sort of trim piece. Where does this go? I assume maybe it is for the window? And it's just bent. Yes, I believe so. That's window trim. Put that in a bin here. Alright. This looks like more trim. Put this over here. It's too big for the bin. Here we got. Looks like that's part of the roof mount or something. Yeah, I mean this is the same. Looks like this is a roof mount piece. We need got some extras. Got some extra goodies. What do we got here? We got a broken mirror. Very good. Very helpful. This trim over here. All right, what else we got? Oh, got some engine stuff with. Looks like there's a bit of a mouse hotel going on that one. Put this in this bin over here. Call that. Put this one, make an engine bin. Oh, look at that. Not sure where that is. Looks like interior. What else we got? Oh, look at that. We need this. Door handle. Some rubber. This is some sort of gasket. I think that's for a window. I don't know what this is. If anyone knows, let me know. I think it's engine. Put it in engine. Alright, what we got? We got a bezel for something. And oh, I think that's a fog light mount. I think. Of course, this is a bucket for a light. So call that interior, exterior bucket. What we got here? Some sort of clip. A boot. I have no idea. Oh, look at that. That's pretty sweet. Fog light. Hella. TN4. Oh, it's salvageable. I don't know. We don't want to break that though, do we? Interior. Alright. Some cap of some sort. I have no idea. A lighter. Look at that. You don't find this anymore, do you? No, that's a handle pull. scrap metal. Throw it over there in the scrap metal bin. Exterior pieces. Oh, another fog light. Oh, that one. It is halogen. It's broken, that's what it is. Unfortunately. It doesn't have a manufacturer's name. I don't know what that is. Some sort of gasket. Oh, look. Someone's very generous here, giving me all this great stuff. That's the some sort of release. That's a license plate light. And another crappy old clamp. I'm going to use this bucket just for all the hardware. So let's put all the hardware in here. Put that out of the way. You know, put all the hardware in here. Bolts, nuts and bolts, a pin. I'll put these sweet hose clamps in here. Ah, a plastic bolt. Hardware, rubber things. I don't know. It's going to be a bit of a journey. Keep saying it. It's a journey. There's more hardware. Somebody dumped the bin in here, I think. Some broken piece. Gaskets. What do we got here? Put that over there. It's like another. Okay, look at that. That is a horn, I'm pretty sure. Isn't that interesting? Never seen an old horn like that one. Interesting. Some old line. Look at that. Why would you hang on to this? I don't know. Garbage. I think a lot of the stuff is just going to be garbage in the end. We'll see how much we can salvage. This kind of stuff. This looks like a mechanism for the roof. Some sort of strap. So much, it just keeps going. Tons of little screwies. We're getting screwy. This, some sort of hold down. I don't know. That's for the hood spring. I'm gonna have to get a bigger hardware bin here. Floor looks like it's here, which is pretty amazing. No idea what that is. Little plugs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nickel plated or zinc plated. Oh man. That's a good one. That's a guy. Hang on to that one. Some sort of elbow. Something. Got some rubber. It's like a seal for the trunk or something. Totally gonzoed. I'm sure that stuff really cheap. Oh, replacement hose. Lucky me. Some wiring bits, some sort of, so like a throttle cable maybe. Engine. Okay, just keep going. Just keep it going. Engine bit, garbage, some sort of weird gasket. It has a part number on it. 914. Belongs to this car. What is this? No ideas. Put it in there. I can see floor. A cable. That is a gasket that's maybe I shouldn't have broke that. Yeah? Maybe I shouldn't have broken that. Maybe I'll live to regret that moment. Interior. Probably interior. Smells very refreshing in here. It's like a certain musk, you know? When you get the targa top really lets in the outdoors, certain musk to it all. Me, I should have wore a mask in this lovely place. I don't know. We'll say an engine junk. Okay. Looks like the seat is not bolted in. Perhaps that's a plus. Alright, let's see here. Okay. Well, I mean, it could be worse. You see the floor there. Could be worse. Could be better. Could be better. But I've seen worse. There's no hole. There's no hole. Well, look at this. This all comes off too. So, I mean, beggars can't be choosers. I will say it was a Jeep F seat I traded for, and it was rustier. It was rustier, but there's three of them. So, but all three of them were rustier than this thing. So I still count it as a win. I still say it's a win. And my heart wasn't in it. You know, that's what really matters, though. Is my heart wasn't in it. Good God, it stinks. All right, let's move over. Let's move over to this side. All right, let's see what we got. Let's open it up. Rubber carpet. Rubber carpet. What's next? It's always a surprise. Oh. Got some more engine stuff. What's that? It's a broken. I don't think that's for a Porsche. I don't know. I don't know what that is. That looks like a different car. That's what that does. Rubber. Oh. Here's the taillight. armrest. Armrest, some sort of metal. No idea what this is. All right. Let's vacuum this baby out. Vacuum this baby out. Gonna get this. Want to take this carpet off now. I'm sure this will be a blast. Oh wow! Look at that. Action came out. Put that aside. We'll just put it all together. Okay. Let's see if these will cooperate. Oh. One. Well, I'm not bagging this hardware because it's just trash. It's pretty self-explanatory what it is. Yeah, well, later. I don't know. Me, I'm probably gonna regret not bagging this, actually. Probably. I should. Well, they're actually coming out. Impressive. Because they're so rusty. Come on, baby. What do we got? Oh, look at that. She's orange. Very orangey. See? Very orangey. Isn't that nice? Well, floor isn't the worst. I mean, to do a budget restoration, I guess I could probably just, like, there's a hole here, which probably means it's all rotted. But, you know, it's pretty solid. I don't know, maybe it's good. Good enough. Well, that's all for today. Gotta get the kids coming home from school. So it's time to pack it in for today. We will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.